Look at that sexiness right there. Muy buenos dias and welcome back to Coyote Hub. Today we got something very special for the Mustang. It's something that I got requested a lot. It's gonna be a big mod that's gonna change the look of the Mustang entirely. So let me show you guys what I got. Oh, here's the vet. Alright guys, so I got two boxes. One with the new mods for the Mustang, and that's something that's gonna help these mods get even better. Those are parts that I needed and then I ordered. So big shout out to S550 Euros for hooking it up with the parts to complete this big mod that's about to happen. But yeah, this is what I got, guys. So I got bags. It looks like a mess in there. It's a mess. It's all in a box, and just so you guys know, it's not new. It's not new. I got it from my homie. He was selling it because he's doing a drag setup. So he sold it to me for a very good price. He's doing a drag setup now, so he doesn't need this no more. So I'm gonna lay it out for you guys so it looks a little bit prettier and nicer. But yeah, let's get into this so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So don't worry about the mess because it's just because it's in a box all together, but you guys will see it. Let me lay it out. Alright guys, I got everything laid out. Basically the most important things. I'm missing a few things that I have in that box, and I'm still missing a couple nuts. I think I'm missing a release valve. I know for sure I need that shit. The tank, it's in the trunk right now, which is one of the most important things for this kit. This is the V2 kit. I can't remember if it's the 3H, 3P, or whatever the hell. There's so many variants to this shit. I know it's a 2V. No, it's a V2, the 2V. I know it's a V2 by a fact because of these little fucking shit. The V3 has the one that was like a little tiny iPhone. So it's the V2. I'm gonna get a new one of this because this one looks fucking jacked up. This shit is trash, so I'm not gonna need this shit no more. This is trash too. That's the wiring, and this is the fucking for the air. I don't need that shit. That's trash. Whoever took this from my homie's car, whatever shop it was, they fucked up a lot of things, bro. They were cutting shit like everywhere. When me and my brother were inspecting this kit, most of the things, they took them off. And I mean, they didn't break anything, but all the wires and all the hoses, bro, they were just cutting shit like just to take it off, you know, just to get the job done. They didn't do it properly. I mean, this is not a big deal, right? But it's annoying because instead of just unscrewing the whole thing and taking 5 to 10 minutes to take this shit off, unloose the bolts and take the whole hose off so I could use it again, they just cut it. They just fucking cut it from there just to take it off, which is gonna be a pain in the ass. Anyways, I'm done with the bitching. So yeah. This is what we have. That's trash and that's trash. A couple other items are trash. I got the remote that controls the settings. This one doesn't look too beat up. Again, it's used, so it's expected to be a little bit beat up. But I think I'm gonna have to buy a new one because I don't know. I want my shit to look clean. This is gonna be inside the car, so I want my shit to look clean. Yep. That's trash. I got the struts, I got the management system, if that's what it's called. This one, I think it's still usable. If not, I bought a new one just in case. So yes, let's go in that box and see what other shit that I bought. Like I said, I still need to buy some more items like nuts. I don't know a lot about AIRLIFT, and I'm learning as I go when I'm watching videos. And it's pretty easy, it's pretty simple. It should be easy and simple to install. And I got my brother, NSA vet, and he's a expert. He's a pro, he's a tech, because I don't know a lot about wiring and he's a expert on it. So yeah, he's gonna help me with that. All right, so I already got everything that I had in the box, the things that I ordered that I needed to complete the AIRLIFT kit. So they sent me a new one, compressor. They sent me the wiring. I got the hose for the air. So I needed a new hose for the front. For some reason, only one came in, the other one was broken. I don't know how, the fucking shop fucked that one up too. But yeah, so this is the old one, this is the new one. Front is completed. I got everything else. And yeah, that's it. Pretty much what I needed. That's the old shit. This is the new one. Really excited to get this on the Mustang. I want to have it done already. Clean setup. This is like straight up from AIRLIFT Performance, and I ordered from S550 Euros. So for any of you guys' AIRLIFT Performance needs, make sure you guys hit S550 Euros. Alright guys, so right now I'm heading to the storage. I got a lot of shit that I've been keeping in the Mustang for I don't know how many months, bro. If I lost a race against you, it's because I got too much weight in my car. Let me turn on the lights. I don't know if you guys can see me. I just want to tell you guys that you guys don't know how excited I am about the the airbags, man. Yeah, this shit sounds so good. You know, I've been wanting airbags for the longest time, but I like messing around, you know. I like doing donuts, drifting, burnouts and shit. And I'm not saying you cannot do none of that with the airbags, but I mean, it's like a lot of people don't recommend doing that. And I like racing a lot too, so airbags are not for racing. I mean, you could if you want to, but it's up to you, you know, it's a risk. If you got money to replace shit that you break on the kit, go for it. Race with airbags. But I wouldn't do it, and I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not shooting money. Since I bought the car 2 years ago, I've been wanting to bag my car, but I wanted to wait, so I bought some cheap ass I-bag lower springs. I'm not saying I-bag lower springs are bad, but they're cheap. But they're nice though. I'm driving on the I-bag right now, bro, and they're flawless. But I would like my car to be a little bit lower, you know? I want an aggressive stance. Alright guys, so I'll talk to you once I get to the storage. That side's good. This one's not. I had a fat ass crack on the windshield. I had some damage on the hood as well, which as you guys can see, it got fixed already. And my bad, the car's dirty as hell. It's fixed, it's good to go. A lot of shit it's been happening to the Mustang. The weird noise, the windshield got cracked, and the hood while I was driving on the freeway, and then the splitter that just happened. So yeah, I gotta fix that right here. So honestly, this plastic, it's cheap. It was like $100. It's just like, I forgot what it's called. So I'm just gonna take it off the car completely because I don't need it anymore, and just have the stock one for now. I might go with a Cervini chin splitter. I don't want to spend money though. That thing is like $400, so I don't feel like spending that much money. Might just keep this one for now. Take this one off because it's obviously damaged. There's no point on me replacing. A little piece came off and it was like cut in half. I already got my tools, so let's get started with this. All right boys, I'm currently under the car. I got one out, but there's a lot of them that are like really messed up, you know. Well, this car is obviously low, and you know I'll be scraping all the time, so all the balls are like kind of messed up, so it's gonna be hard to get some of them out. Like this one has like nothing. That one's just flat. What the hell am I gonna do about it? Thanks to my baby for the help. We get all the screws out. It looks way cleaner than before. I got one screw on each side, one in the middle. So yeah, we got this little piece of shit out. Cheap plastic, we don't need it anymore, it's broken. And we're good now. Looks a lot better. But I'm probably gonna get something better than this because it's just like factory and looks not too good. Thanks baby for the help. And I think that's pretty much it. Got these screws out. Most of them are jacked up. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. They're like really bad shape. This one's not that bad. They are in really bad shape. I only put like 3 on the bottom, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle, and that's it. I believe that's gonna be it for this quick fix. Let's lower these bad bitch. Well my boys, the car's off the jack stands, and if you guys ask me, even though it's a factory lip, it looks way cleaner than this piece of shit. I mean, it kind of looks naked. It looks like it needs a little bit more aggressiveness if you ask me, but it looks good. It makes the car look cleaner, smoother, slick. But I'm probably gonna end up getting something else, like I said. For now, that's gonna be it for this little fix. Mat, skirt. ¿Estás viendo? What are you watching? Looking at animals. Longest time, you know. But I don't.